Yo, what's up, YouTube? The Bitter Gardener here, showing you guys the figs because for whatever reason you guys love figs. I won't say I hate them, but they're just not my cup of tea. And like I always say, the fig tree is our gift back to Mother Nature because the birds tear these things up and they can have them. And I think I tell you guys that every year. Figs everywhere. And I'll back up so you guys can see how big it is. Because I've done videos on the fig tree before, but I don't think I've ever shown you guys how big the fig tree is. And the funny thing is I actually forgot about the fig tree. Actually, we don't do anything to it. We don't fertilize it. We don't come over here and water it. We don't do anything. It's just over here. So, once again, this is our fig tree. And it's just over here hanging out, producing figs. And the birds will have their way with the tree because we're not going to mess with it. All right, YouTube, as always, if you like the videos, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, this is the Bitter Gardener.